Sorry about that. I am welcoming you all to Facebook Live. Thank you for joining us. I think I'm okay to start, right? Some people are signed on. It's 9:15. So I have a lot of things to show you today. And the first thing I wanted to talk about first, is my mic working? Everybody can hear me? Okay, good. For those of you that are in the Riley Blake Placemat Club, our next set of months has arrived. They are March, we have the background, and should I show all the March? Last one, it was really cool when we did that, but I've got a lot to go over, so I'll flip through them quick. March, it's 6, I think, different styles. Ruth, is that true?
Yes.
So you get 6 placemats for every month. These are adorable. I'm Irish. And then we have April. So when you pick yours up, everybody knows it will be $39.95, $39.99, I think, or huh?
Isn't it
$59.99, and you get 12 placemats. These are the April ones for Easter with the rabbits. They are adorable. Look at that. All right, so if you are a subscriber, they're ready for you to pick up, and you already know that you are able to quilt them at no charge here at the shop. And we have 1 or 2 people that do that regularly with their placemats. If you are not a subscriber, we have a couple of spots open. So the deal is, it is $59.95 every other month. There are 8 months remaining in the program, and I think I have 4 openings. So if you would like to jump in on the Riley Blake placemats, let us know, or actually you can go online and subscribe to, and if you'll just look monthly placemats from Riley Blake, you'll be able to search for them and find them. Pull down the menu and look for subscriptions. That's how we're looking for our subscriptions on the new website. Speaking of subscriptions, we've just started this. We're learning the ins and outs of it. We've put several of our classes on subscription, and we've put several of our monthly projects, not necessarily a class, on subscription. So I made a special live video, I think earlier this week. You can go back and look at it. It's posted on our Facebook page. And I'm not going to go over the details, but just quickly, you are billed for the number of months starting from when you first sign up. If the project goes longer or the class goes longer, you don't get billed for more months. You get billed every 30 days, starting from the month you start, for the number of times that's scheduled for that project. While we're at it, let's talk about a new subscription we have. We have now started a refill program or subscription for I'll hold it up, Vicki, our favorite fabric stabilizer. So everyone knows, if you're familiar with the store, that we love Real Magic. It is our preferred starch when you're preparing your fabrics. You can use this as a stabilizer for embroidery, but we use it primarily for stabilizing your pieces, your fabric, before you cut and make your top. Okay, it makes cutting easier, it makes pressing easier, and so this is Real Magic. It is biodegradable, non-toxic, good for the environment, fabric starch. And if you're a starch overloader like me who needs an intervention, you can get your fabric paper thin with this starch. So if you would like to get a monthly bottle of Real Magic, you will sign up for the Real Magic subscription. You will get your first bottle for $10.99, and then every month you bring that bottle to me, we will give you a refill for $8.99. So you get charged for that refill every 30 days. Okay, until you cancel, you get charged for that refill every 30 days. If you wait until day 31 to come and get your refill, you're going to already have been charged for your second bottle. Does that make sense? Vicki, tell me if I'm making it confusing. Okay, so $8.99 after you subscribe.
You subscribe for the $8.99, but first you need to buy the bundle.
First you get the $10.99, then your subscription cost is $8.99. That's a better way of putting it. Now, best used in a mister bottle. If you don't have a mister bottle, because this is, you dilute this, you don't use this full strength, then you're talking about gummy fabric, right? So we dilute this. Carlotta dilutes hers with Best Press and water. I dilute mine with just water. You dilute this with water, and I like to use spring water or bottled water, not Georgetown tap water, because it will grow a little fuzz. Excuse me. Dilute this with water in your mister bottle. The mister bottle is a continuous spray mist. It puts a very fine particle over your fabric, so you're getting as much out of this use as possible with the mister bottle. And if you need a mister bottle, the bundle for your first month is $22.99. Okay, bottle, first month, 8 ounces, to Real Magic to be diluted. Every month after that, $8.99 gets automatically billed to your credit card. So, if you guys have any questions, you can call or ask anybody here at the shop. We're all familiar with it. We know the product very well, love it, and juggler I am not. Okay, so I think I've covered all the subscription items for today's post. And so next I thought I would talk about this beautiful quilt behind me. This quilt is called Mayflower. The dimensions are 58 by 77, and we have made kits up for this pattern. This is a limited quantity kit, but it is a great lap size. It is great and easy, fast to get made for spring. And this quilt is $69.99, including the pattern and all the fabric in the background to make this. Doesn't include binding or backing. Okay? So if you want the Mayflower quilt, please text on our Facebook Live or call the shop. We don't have very many kits left. So we've had it, actually, Ruth has had it quilted for, I think, a week now. So people have been seeing it that have been coming into the shop, and they've been buying it up like that. So we have a few left if you want this Mayflower kit. These are Riley Blake flowers, flowers here. The background's just one of our navy blues, but this is Dainty Daisy by Riley Blake. And we have all, I think, 10 or 11 bolts in the store. We love the color so much. If it looks familiar, it's because I also use these to make my bird quilt. And this, so we have that as a basics here at the store from Riley Blake, and we've made a few quilts, including this Mayflower. So grab a kit when you can. The last thing I wanted to talk about were 2 things we have on sale. So Jennifer has begged and pleaded me, and I've agreed. We are moving all of our Christmas pre-cuts to the sale rack, which means the pre-cuts are 45% off. They're going in the bucket today. They're going to go fast. I know several employees are going to take advantage of that. So remember, we have the fat quarter bundles of the Batik Christmas. We have a couple blue layer cakes with the blue and silver sparkle. That's gorgeous. And we have all those small prints by P&B Textiles. So come and get your Christmas pre-cuts for 45% off. And as our super special for the day, we have our Pixie Dot jelly rolls. We made a rail fence out of this and showed it like a few months ago. These are $22.95 until they're gone. We have 4 left. So if you want a Pixie Dot jelly roll, beautiful colors, a good blend of colors, $22.95. Thanks for joining us and have a great day. Sorry.